Okay, so the best rooms you should try out in May 2023. I'm gonna consider three custom rooms which I think so are the best choice for you if you want to try out some custom rooms in May 2023. These three custom rooms I found actually too stable in the terms of customizations, in the terms of stability, in the terms of a lot more UI things. Everything is included in these three custom rooms. And the links for the specific videos of these custom rooms is available in the description. Make sure to find out that, make sure to check out that. Here's the first custom room which I'm going to talk about in this video is Evolution XOS. This is one of the best custom rooms right now, and I think so it's available for a lot of devices. With the new update which is coming very soon with this May security patch, we'll talk about that later on, but this is based on 7.8. We have other versions too, and this should be considered as one of the best choices for you in May 2023 because it includes a lot of customization features for you. You can customize the quick settings panel, you can use some theming options. We have the options related to brightness sliders, we have the option related to a lot more things. In the terms of customizations or the full review of this custom room, the specific version video link is available in the description. Make sure to check out that. This was about the Evolution XOS which is available here. And if I move on to another custom ROM, the name is Pixel OS. Evolution XOS basically focus on customization and stability both, but Pixel OS for all the Pixel needs. But right now with this latest Pixel OS update, there is no more Pixel launcher, no more Pixel features. We have the same kind of things available here and there, but with the default launcher, things are basically changed. Now the default launcher is not a Pixel launcher anymore. It includes some of the customization features for you, which actually looks very good. But yes, it depends upon you. If you don't like this thing, you can simply ignore this thing. It's totally up to you. We have some fonts customizations, we have some theming related options available here and there. This is about Pixel OS. And these are the customization options which you have in Pixel OS. But if you need major UI changes, then you should consider Nusantra OS. The latest version, which was I think so 5.6, now they're giving you this Oxygen OS style UI in the quick settings panel, and also with the settings UI there are major changes. So if you are looking to consider UI changes, then Nusantra OS is the best choice for you. It includes quick settings customizations where you have Oxygen OS style customizations. Same thing applies to settings UI. And yes, that's why Nusantra OS is in the list. So if you need these custom ROMs, specific videos links are available in the description as I just mentioned, so make sure to check out that. And same like that, let me tell you one thing: if you want to try out customization thing, try out Nusantra OS or Evolution XOS. If you need stability or if you need only Pixel kind of things, then you should try out Pixel OS. All the videos and links and download links, everything is available in the description. This is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like and share this. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.